Welcome again. In this video, we'll study about Roman numbers that is given in exercise 1 of the class 6th math. Class 6th math. This is NCRT book. NCRT book. So, in exercise 1, there are 3 exercises, but at the end of this chapter we have Roman numbers also. So we'll understand what are the Roman numbers and we'll understand the concept behind it. So Roman numbers are the numbers that are being used for the calculation of numbers. Earlier we are using, or mostly we are using Hindu Arabic numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so this is Hindu Arabic numbers that we are using. So instead of these numbers, we have the Roman numerals also that can be used in the countings. Okay, and most of the time in the watches we see the Roman numbers. So we'll have the Roman numbers here, and we'll tell you what are those and how many are there and how to form the Roman numbers to Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay, so first of all we will have how to write those means Roman numerals. So if we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so in front of these we'll write the Roman numbers. So for 1 we'll write the Roman numbers at I, capital I you can say, and the second we have 2 I in together, and for 3 I. Okay, write like this, and for 4 we have 1 and this like this we need to take. Okay, V, it is V, and for 5 it is V, this one, and for 6 V and I, write like this, and for 7 V and 2 I's, and for 8 V and 3 I's, and for 9 what is this, it is I and X. Okay, so it will start like this, and the next 10 is there. So 10 we have like this. So for 10 this is X. So these are the basic means 1 to 10 numbers. For another means for 50 and for means other numbers means like 100 and for 500 and after that we have something else also, some denotation means notation is different. So let's take those also. So you need to memorize these numbers so that you can use it later. Okay, so we'll write 1 and 5 and 10 and 50 and then 100 and then 500 and then we have 1000. So these one we already told you, it is like I, and this is V, and for 10 we write X, and for 50 we write L, and for 100 we write C, and for 500 we write D, and for 1000 we write M. Okay, so with these and what we have seen earlier, any number we can form. Okay, so will take some examples and we'll tell you how to form those numbers means in Roman numbers. Normal number can be formed in the Roman numbers. Okay, so with these symbols, these symbols will be used everywhere. Here also only these symbols have been used. Okay, so we'll form those numbers like this only. Okay, with this, for example, we need to form 6. Okay, so it is 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. So what we'll write instead of this? Instead of 5 we'll write V because we have V, and for 1 we'll write 1. Okay, so this will be 6. Similarly, if we have for example we have 4. Okay, so 4 is 5 minus 1. So whenever we have minus, then the symbol will be before means what before 5. Okay, so we'll write 5 and before 5 will write I, so it will be 4. Okay, if it is minus, always write that much before the numbers of after which that is minus. So any numbers will take, like will take 17. Okay, so 17 can be written as how much? How will write? 17 will be written as 10 plus 5 plus 2. Okay, it is plus plus plus, so we'll start with 10. 10 is x, 5 is v, and 2 is I, like this. So this will be 17. Okay, any numbers can be written like this. Okay, so for example, we have 42. Okay, so 42 is near to 50. Okay, so we'll write 50 minus how much? We can write 10, sorry, minus 8, but 8 can further be written means 10 minus 2. Okay, so how we'll write? We'll write minus 10 and plus 2. Okay, so we'll write this 50. How we'll write 50? We'll write L. Okay, L, but it is minus 10, so we'll write x here, but plus 2, so we'll write like this. Okay, so it is written like this. Okay, I hope you got this point, exactly what I am trying to tell you. Okay, okay, now we'll consider some other other numbers that is given in the book also. So how to write those numbers? For example, they are writing as 69. So 69, how to write this 69? Okay, 69 is closer to 50. Okay, so since it is closer to 50, so we'll write in similar form 50 and then plus 10 and plus 9. Okay, and this 50 we write as L, plus 10, so it will come x, and 9 will write as ix. Okay, I think it's clear. Okay, now there is a 98. For example, 98 is there, so we can write this as we can write this as 90 plus 8. Now 90 will be converted to how much? 100 minus 10 plus 8. Okay, so 100 minus 10, how will write? 100 is written as C, minus is 10, so xc. Okay, now there is a plus 8, so how 8 is written? It is written like this. So finally we'll write as x c v, 3 lines. Okay, so this is the method that we follow in this. And another few numbers are there that will also explain here, that is 73. Okay, so how we'll write the 73? We'll write 73 like 50 plus 20 plus 3. Although we should not write 20 because there is no symbol with 20, but we write 20 as x and x, so we can write it like this only. So how we'll write? 50, then in place of 20 we'll write as x and x, and instead of 3 we'll write, sorry, this and this. Okay, I think you got the point. And now 92 is there, we have already written. No, it's not written, so we'll write 92. So 92, how it can be written? 92 can be written as 90 plus 2, and 90 can be written as 100 minus 10 plus 2. So it is so how will write 100 C, and since 10 is minus, so x will come before, and 2 is plus, so it will like this. Okay, so like this we can write any numerals as we want. Okay, so I think you got the point and got the ways to calculate and find the any numbers can be written in a Roman numbers. If you have any question, doubt, or I have done something wrong, then mention in the comment. I will try to correct myself. Okay, thank you very much.